guys, I just wanted to come in and do a quick video on how to use the app and how that works with the links and things that are there. So just to kind of show you, I'm showing my phone on the screen right now. So if you go into your apps and choose the Schoology app, which should come up, and if you don't come to the course, of course you would click over here on the little menu that's here, and you can choose courses and then your section of whatever your class is. Now what you want to see there, like I have the links in the little Bitmoji classroom and the links in the schedule thing in updates, and you'll notice that on the app you don't actually see that in the schedule. So you're going to be like, well, what am I supposed to do? Well, what I also did is I put those items in the material section as well. So I'm on the material section here, and you'll notice you see the folders. This is me, so I see more folders than you do right now. You're probably only going to see these first 4 that are blue right now. And so you'll see right here that there is this virtual classroom, click to enlarge, weekly schedule, click to enlarge. So if you're using the app, you need to actually go to your phone and then click on that, and that will take you to that same little icon that has the screen. So you kind of have a little bit of an extra step, and then you can go to the weekly schedule and access the links that are there. So I just wanted to throw that up, as there's a little bit of a difference between using a PC and using the phone app. So I just wanted to show you how to get to that. So short video if you're using the mobile app. So next video, if I get to it after I see all the things that I need to do, is going to be the OneNote notebook.